So how to find your IBAN number on the Halifax app. So to find your IBAN number on Halifax, if you open up the app, you'll just want to go ahead and click on the account that you wish to see the IBAN number for. Then once you've done that, you should be pulled through to this page here, which gives you a breakdown of your account. And to find your IBAN, you want to click on the information icon at the top. Then once you've done that, it will then give you your sort code and account number. And to find your IBAN number, you just want to click on Share Bank Details. And once you've clicked on Share Bank Details, you'll be brought through to this page here, and you can find your IBAN number where the arrow is pointing on screen. Obviously, for the sake of the video, mine's blurred out, but you'll be able to see your IBAN right here on screen, so you can go ahead and save it and start using it for international payments. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.